Hello and welcome to our video today, where we'll be discussing the difference between dermaplaning and exfoliating. If you're someone who's interested in skincare, you might have heard of these two terms before. But what exactly is dermaplaning and how is it different from exfoliating? In this video, we'll dive deeper into the world of skincare and explore these two methods to help you make an informed decision about what's best for your skin. Now let's dive into the depths of this video. What is dermaplaning? Let's start by understanding what dermaplaning is. Dermaplaning is a non-invasive procedure that involves the use of a sterile surgical scalpel to gently remove the top layer of dead skin cells and vellus hair from the face. The process is usually performed by a licensed aesthetician or a dermatologist. Benefits of dermaplaning. There are several benefits of dermaplaning. Firstly, it can help improve the texture and tone of your skin. By removing the top layer of dead skin cells, your skin will appear smoother, brighter, and more even. Dermaplaning can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as acne scarring. Additionally, by removing the vellus hair on your face, your skincare products can penetrate deeper into your skin, making them more effective. What is exfoliating? Exfoliating, on the other hand, is a process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin using physical or chemical methods. Physical exfoliation involves using a scrub or a tool to manually remove dead skin cells. Chemical exfoliation, on the other hand, involves the use of acids such as alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta hydroxy acids, BHAs, to dissolve the dead skin cells. Benefits of exfoliating. Exfoliating also has several benefits. By removing dead skin cells, exfoliating can help brighten your skin and improve its texture. It can also help unclog your pores, which can reduce the occurrence of blackheads and whiteheads. Regular exfoliation can also increase the effectiveness of your skincare products by allowing them to penetrate deeper into your skin. Differences between dermaplaning and exfoliating. While both dermaplaning and exfoliating serve the same purpose of removing dead skin cells, there are some key differences between the two methods. Firstly, dermaplaning is a more invasive procedure than exfoliating. It involves the use of a surgical scalpel, which can make some people uncomfortable. Exfoliating, on the other hand, is a less invasive process that can be done at home using a scrub or a chemical exfoliant. Another key difference between the two methods is the frequency at which they can be performed. Dermaplaning is usually recommended once a month, while exfoliating can be done once or twice a week, depending on your skin type and the exfoliant you're using. Which method is right for you? So, which method should you choose? Ultimately, it depends on your personal preference and skin type. If you have sensitive skin or are uncomfortable with the idea of using a surgical scalpel, exfoliating may be a better option for you. However, if you're looking for a more intensive treatment and are comfortable with the idea of dermaplaning, it can provide more dramatic results. It's also important to note that both methods can be used together in a skincare routine. For example, you could incorporate dermaplaning into monthly routine and exfoliant once or twice a week in between dermaplaning sessions. Both dermaplaning and exfoliating have their own unique benefits and can be beneficial for achieving smooth, radiant skin. While dermaplaning may be more invasive and less frequent, it can provide more dramatic results. Exfoliating, on the other hand, is a less invasive process that can be done at home and can be incorporated into your weekly skincare routine. We hope that this video has provided you with a better understanding of the differences between dermaplaning and exfoliating and helped you make an informed decision about what's best for your skin. Remember to always consult with licensed aesthetician or dermatologist before trying any new skincare treatments. Thank you for watching.